Good afternoon to all of you. I'm here to discuss about different management activities that is being taken up by different management institutions. One among them is YM Chijal, which is taken up by Jaipuria Institute of Management Indore. To discuss it about in detail, I am here with one of the students of Jaipuria Institute of Management, Ms. Rana Thakur. Welcome to the talk, Ms. Rana. Ms. Rana, can you throw some light on about YM Chijal? What is this all about?
Okay, YM Chijal is basically a young enterprise mentorship program, and we are as a part of Chijal team. We are being divided into a group of 3 and given small firms company. My company is Sun Gracia. Actually, I have worked with 2 companies. First one is the Sun Gracia, and second one is the Network Tours and Travel.
Okay, ma'am. So, what was your project on that part? Means you work with these 2 companies. So, what was the project that you were assigned?
In my first company, that is Sun Gracia, I just worked with them, but there was no project given by the company. But in the second Network Tours and Travel, they are giving us the project which are customer attitude towards the upcoming adventurous parks in Central Asia. Basically, they are having this new project, and they are giving the survey in order to know about their customers as what they like, they want their adventurous parks or not. So this we did by surveying all the customers.
So how was your experience working in this 2 companies doing the YM Chijal task or the activity?
Okay, it was it was really a nice experience for me. Basically, this was a new concept initiated by Jaipuria, and actually it was just appreciating for us that, and also we are given the opportunity to work in small firms before going into the real corporate world. So it was one of the best experience for me.
So any process, any method by which YM Chijal could be enhanced, because there could be steps that you would have incorporated, that you would have felt that if this would have happened, it would have been more better. So any progress that YM Chijal would have taken to be better in the future?
Okay, when I were in Chijal team, so at that time we are giving the college has provided us the company, and we go by our transport and remain there and this.
So what was the flaws that were coming up? I mean, was there any problem that you faced during this activity, or there could be something improvement on that part?
Yes, according to me it should be improved more, like we have been given college has given us, but instead of that they should college ask to the interest of the student, and then they provide their company, so it will be a good for them in future
as per the desires of the students.
And also they can assign 2 to 3 companies or rotate the companies which were given already to the students, so it will great experience for them in learning the whole, means in 2 to 3 companies they are having a different work culture, different experience in the way they interact with the people and all this, so they can do it.
It's very nice to talk to you. One last question that I would like to ask, any suggestion for upcoming batches that you would like to give regarding YM Chijal, so that young students can come to learn about should they be part of YM Chijal or not?
Yes, the management trainee should come up with the Chijal team, because for me it was very nice experience, the way we interact with the people, the way the business grow, the way entrepreneurs work. So as a management trainee you should work in this YM Chijal project, and so this is my message.
Thank you very much. It was really nice talking to you. So this was Ms. Rana from Jaipuria Institute of Management Indore, who talked about YM Chijal and its different attributes as activities and all. To come up with more of the activities and more of the news regarding different management activities, we will come back and catch you soon. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.